Okay, in order to flip the socket block from regular or goofy, start with opening up the security screw on top here, like so. Remove it. Next step is to take away the flower knob here. It might be stuck the first time because of the Loctite added on the shaft, so place 2 M4 or any kind of object that fits into the hole here and use your tool to knock it open, and then just by hand open it up. After a few times it will easily get out. Flip the socket block, take back the shaft, find the hole on the knob up here and align it. Might be a little bit difficult the first time. Then just go back with the thread again until it's solid. Flip the arm, take the security screw again, and then just place back the screw again, and you're done. That's it.